It must have fallen out of a hole in your old brown overcoat. They never said your name, but I knew just who they meant. Well, I was so surprised and shocked, and I wondered too, if by chance you had it for yourself. I never told a soul just how I